Are you a music producer looking to try out some new free plugins? Well, here are my top 3 recommendations. The first recommendation I have is Vital. This powerful wavetable synthesizer offers a wide range of sound design possibilities. It starts off with an initial saw wave, but you can add multiple oscillators and different wavetables. This plugin is pretty similar to Extra Serum, but it's free and offers a variety of features. Vital allows you to automate things like wavetable position, filter parameters, LFO parameters, envelopes, and much more. It's really an amazing plugin. Not to mention, there's a bunch of great presets that are pretty cool to play around with, and you can tweak those as well. Overall, I think Vital is an essential, powerful wavetable plugin that you should have in your plugin library. The next plugin that I would really recommend is Spitfire Labs. Spitfire Labs offers a really great user interface that is very easy to use. Spitfire Labs offers a bunch of free virtual instruments, including a piano, which I personally really like. You can also automate a bunch of parameters such as the reverb, the vibrato, and the tightness, and much more. There's also a pretty great string, and I really like these strings. I use them in a lot of my compositions. And they can add a touch of realism and character to your music productions as well. So this is a great starting point for composers and producers looking to enhance their compositions with orchestral or electronic elements. The last plugin that I recommend is Valhalla Super Massive, and this plugin is a free reverb and delay plugin known for its expansive and immersive soundscapes. So here I just loaded up a sample, threw on Valhalla Super Massive, and there is an infinite amount of sounds that I can create just with this plugin. Would highly recommend it, and you can even export it. You can mess around with your sample and get some really cool, unique sounds that really nobody's ever made before. So Supermassive offers a variety of presets and customizable parameters for crafting everything from subtle room reverbs to massive ethereal soundscapes. I would highly recommend this plugin, especially if you're trying to craft some large soundscapes and ambient sounds as well. So these are the plugins I have for you guys today. Feel free to try them out and let me know what you think. If you have any other plugins that are free that you would like me to try out, please let me know. You can just leave me a comment or shoot me a message.